acceleration for the tight turn 6. And then contact into the barriers they go. Norby gets a hit. It is, in fact, Banani's car that basically almost...
hopefully we'll await confirmation, but at the moment it looks like there's nobody with any serious injuries. But
when you're doing it, he's in! That's a massive crash there for Tander. He's spun. That's Rick Kelly involved. Tim Blanchard, Moffat.
So he's battling there, isn't he? Oh, and it goes over. And it goes over. Look at that. Not only does it go over, he just gets a touch there, doesn't he?
Dreht sich, kommt da noch mal raus. Und dann gibt's einen riesen Crash. Ach, das ist Alexandre
gefahren ist, natürlich am Ende des Feldes.
Ja, Bremar hat ganz unglücklich diese letzte Spitze auf der Innenseite der Leitplanke getroffen.
With oversteer, gets into the dirt. Oh, and so too Whincup. They're all getting trapped by the lack of grip. Trouble! Big shunt, big shunt. Dumbrell and Baird. This is going to be bad. This is huge. Lost the back off the Craig Baird car. This will be a safety car if the red flag. The race will be stopped.
The car, but we'll keep you informed as to whether. Oh no! Oh, mayhem! And there's millions and millions. Underneath, here we go on board behind the 27. And a nasty, nasty picture. Luckily, not one of the fastest corners. There's Giancarlo already in the wall.
Piquet and Nelson Piquet in the Jaguar has had a very big accident. Here we go then, Nelson Piquet on board with him.
Coming through 13 now.
So he looks to the inside. Oh
wow, got airborne. And when you've got airborne, Nelson cannot judge where the back of the DS Techeetah is. And
red flag as they nearly come together.
There it goes. No. That's the big one. That's the big one. Big crash.
Oh boy.
Here he's kind of blocking Vautier.
Yeah, but it's his
teammate.
Touch
right here.
It's his teammate Aloshin who's giving Hinchcliffe nowhere to go.
Oh, Vautier got contact as well.
Aloshin made it 3 wide down the back straightaway, and when Hinchcliffe had to move up, he was pinched. Terrible result for Vautier that was having such a great run. So both Dale Coyne cars, both Schmidt.
This was McNeil with the puncture, but Ingram gets alongside him, blocks off the pit entrance. Cook has no option but hit the inside of him. Broken toe links, cars going everywhere. Have a look at this. Cook gets one hit, round he goes, tags Shedden, and then Shedden heads to the pit wall.
Lo que pasó, mirá, Castellano se cruza el auto, uy, se dio Kulovic y ahí trata de zapar Gastón, pasa Truco, bueno, topetazo.
Ah, pegan el interno.
Claro.